Yo, hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be playing Hit the Button. So this is the 7th time I'm talking in my videos. So today we've done number bonds, we've done doubles, we've done times table, we've done division facts, and we've done square numbers. The only ones, guys, I haven't done is halves, but I can't really do them because those are a bit too hard for me. But anyways, we're gonna do the doubles, and before I do them, I'm gonna turn the microphone off again, so I so I can go faster than a bit slower, cause every question I get on it, I say it instead of just click on it straight away. So I'm gonna turn the microphone off. Then when I turn the microphone off, I mean when the time is up, I'm gonna turn the microphone back on. So I'm gonna turn it off in 3, 2, 1. Anyway, guys, I'm back. So you can see here, your time is up. You scored 70 out of 75. Excellent work. So you can see there, as I scored 70 out of 75, looks like I got 70 correct and 5 incorrect. Or I could just say wrong. So 70 out of 75 is a really high score. I'll say that now. So yeah, 70 out of 75 is a high score. But anyway, I'm going to end the video here. Thanks for watching. Hit the bell notification, and comment on my other videos, and subscribe to my channel too. I don't know if I already said that, but yeah, do that. So my channel's name is Harley the Expert, but my actual name is Harley Kane. So yeah. So subscribe to my channel, hit the bell notification, comment on my videos, and hit the bell so you don't miss out any other videos coming. And yeah, goodbye everyone, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.